Hello mga kapitbahay, let me teach you how to add a new service or another account sa MyMeralco. So first is you go to mymeralco.com.ph and then choose enroll another service. You can enroll up to 5 electrical services into your MyMeralco account. Then 10-digit CAN number. So makikita mo yan dun sa ganito. Yan. So let's input 21. Pag na-verify na niya, click continue. Actual consumption 167. Continue. So enroll. Piliin mo dyan kung kaano-ano ka, or if you're the owner, you may click this one. Pero kung hindi, pili ka na lang. Household member na lang. Yan. Continue. Then, magte-text siya sa number mo. Click verify. And enrollment successful. A service has been added to your MyMeralco account. As of now, wala pa siya. No name, due date, none. So, I guess maglo-load na lang yan. Nandito naman na yung mga lumang consumption. Ayan. So, baka tomorrow, by tomorrow or by later, magkakaroon na siya ng information dito. There you go. Finally, na-verify na kasi account ko. Therefore, makakapag-add na ako ng mas marami pang accounts. Kasi dyan ako nagka-problema last time. Hindi na ako makapag-add ng accounts because I already have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 already. So, kailangan ko magdagdag ng isa pa. So, yeah, that's it. If you want more contents like this, please follow for more.